I had seen her walk by here a few times before. She was always alone, always headed somewhere. So pretty. I needed a closer look. I found that she came around here fairly often, almost every day out of the week, and she always sat by the window. Lucky for me. But I just couldn't wait around here for her to stop by every second of every day. People would get suspicious. She caught me.
Hi.
Surprisingly enough, things turned out alright. More than alright, actually. She liked me, and I was crazy about her. It felt like for once in my life, I could be happy. Because after years of searching, I had finally found her. The perfect one. Oh, it was lovely. But in the end, I learned what I've always learned with these sorts of things. She wasn't perfect. Not at all. And she wouldn't change for me. Not the way I wanted. And so, as painful as it was, I had to let her go. One day I'll find her. The perfect one. The woman of my dreams. One day.